Hello students, today we are going to solve 12th problem. Question is given as the following measurements were made during testing a leveling instrument. Now in this table, instrument station and staff station is given. When the instrument is at P, then staff reading at P1 will be equals to 2.800 meter and at Q1 will be equals to 1.700 meter. When the instrument is at Q, then staff reading at P1 will be equals to 2.700 meter and at Q1 will be equals to 1.800 meter. Now from the table it is clear that the reading at P1 is greater as compared to Q1. It means that the P point will lie below the point Q. And here is the obstruction, that is water. This point is P and this point is Q. Now this is the average differential level between the point P and point Q. Now we have the RL of P which will be equals to 100 meter, which is shown here. Now we need to find the RL of Q. So for finding the RL of Q, we need to add the RL of P plus the average differential level between P and Q. Now it is a case of reciprocal leveling. We know that differential level, that is H average, can be calculated by HP minus HQ plus HP dash minus HQ dash divided by 2. We have the value of HP as 2.800 meter minus HQ as 1.700 meter. Similarly, HP dash as 2.700 meter and HQ dash as 1.800 meter divided by 2. After solving this, the value of H average will be equals to 1 meter. That will be the average differential level between P and Q. Now for finding the RL of Q, we need to add RL of P and H average. Now RL of P is already given, that is 100 meter, and H average is computed above, which will be equals to 1 meter. On adding these two values, the RL of Q will be equals to 101 meter. That will be the required solution. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.